How do I use PowerPoint? Have you ever wondered how to create a presentation that stands out? PowerPoint is a fantastic tool that can help you do just that. It allows you to create slides filled with text, images, charts, and videos to share your ideas clearly. Let's break down how to use PowerPoint effectively, especially for school projects or your first job presentations. First, when you open PowerPoint, you will see options to start a blank presentation or choose a template. Templates are great because they come with pre-designed slides, saving you time and making your work look polished. The first slide is usually a title slide where you can enter the name of your presentation and your name. Next, to add more slides, simply click the New Slide button on the Home tab. You can select different layouts for each slide, depending on what you want to include. For instance, you might want a slide with just text, another with images, or one that features charts. On the left side, you will see thumbnails of all your slides. You can click and drag these to rearrange them as needed. Now let's talk about adding content. Click on the text boxes to type your information. Keep your text simple and use bullet points to make it easy for your audience to read. To make your presentation more engaging, you can insert images, videos, or charts by using the Insert tab. Visuals help convey your message and keep your audience interested. You can also resize, move, or rotate objects on your slides to arrange them neatly. When it comes to design, the Design tab allows you to pick a theme that changes the colors, fonts, and backgrounds of your slides for a consistent look. The Design Ideas tool can suggest layouts and designs that look professional, enhancing the overall appearance of your slides. Remember to avoid clutter by not putting too much text or too many images on one slide. Adding animations and transitions can make your presentation more dynamic. Animations allow text or images to appear or move in interesting ways, while transitions are effects that occur when you move from one slide to the next. Use these features sparingly to keep your presentation engaging without distracting your audience. You can also add speaker notes to each slide that only you can see during the presentation. These notes help you remember key points to discuss while presenting. Don't forget to save your work often by clicking Save or pressing Ctrl and S. You can save your presentation on your computer or in the cloud, like OneDrive, so you can access it from anywhere. To share your presentation, you can send the file or share a link if it is saved online. When you are ready to present, go to the Slideshow tab and click From Beginning to start your presentation in full screen. Practice speaking clearly and use your speaker notes to guide you. For teenagers preparing for their first job or school presentations, mastering PowerPoint is a great way to improve communication skills and build confidence. It helps you present ideas clearly and professionally, which is important in many future careers. Practicing with PowerPoint also teaches you how to organize information logically and use visuals to support your message, skills that are valuable in any workplace.